Welcome to Pinoy Pro Tips. Today, I'll show you how to register your business name online through DTI, step by step, no fixer needed. Let's begin. Open your browser and go to bnrs.dti.gov.ph. Link in description. Scroll down and click Business Name Services. From the drop-down, select New Registration. You'll see the terms and conditions about the registration process. Click I agree to proceed. Fill out your personal information. When asked, select No for Are you a stateless person? And Are you a refugee? Enter your full name, gender, birth date, civil status, and nationality. Then input your active email address. Make sure it's correct because this is where DTI will send your confirmation. Click Next. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for the DTI verification code. If it's not there, check your spam or junk folder. Copy the code, go back to the DTI page, paste it, and click Verify. Once verified, click on Proceed. Now choose your business scope: national, regional, city/municipality, or barangay. This determines where your business name will be protected. After that, input your business address. Include your region, city or municipality, and barangay. Choose your business name. Now it's time to get creative. Type in the name you want for your business. Make sure it's unique, not too generic, and follows DTI naming rules. Under Dominant Name, type your business name. Then under Business Name Descriptor, click Advanced Search to see a list of business categories. Once you find the right one, click Choose Your Descriptor, then close the pop-up. Next, choose your naming format or order. Pick what fits your business best. Then click Validate Business Name. If the system says your name is valid, click Next. Review all the details you've entered so far. If everything is correct, click Yes to confirm. Save your reference code. You'll now receive a reference code. Take a screenshot, photo, or write it down. You'll need this for all future transactions. Then click Continue. Now input your residence address. If it's the same as your business address, just click Copy my business address details. Also, don't forget to input your mobile number, then click Next. One last time, review all the information you've entered. If everything looks good, click Next, then Confirm and Proceed. Consent to the undertaking. Click Proceed to agree to the undertaking. Choose your payment option. You'll now see different payment options: GCash, Visa/MasterCard, Maya, LandBankLink.biz, or over-the-counter at a DTI teller. Choose your preferred option and click Proceed to Payment. For this tutorial, I chose GCash. Just log into your GCash account and scan the QR code to pay. Once payment is successful, check your email for two things: your official receipt and your certificate of business name registration. You can print it and proudly hang it at your business. And that's it. You've just registered your business name online, the legit and easy way. If this helped you, give us a like, share this with your fellow Pinoys, and don't forget to subscribe to Pinoy Pro Tips for more helpful tutorials. Kita kits sa next video.